There are a few key strategies you can use to effectively seek appointments with potential clients. 1. Research your prospects. It's important to have a clear understanding of the needs and goals of your potential clients. Conduct research on their business, industry, and any specific challenges they may be facing. 2. Personalize your approach. Customize your outreach to each individual prospect, highlighting how your product or service can specifically address their needs and help them achieve their goals. 3. Use a clear and concise subject line. A subject line that clearly and concisely explains the purpose of your email or call will increase the chances that your message will be opened and read. 4. Keep your message brief. In your initial outreach, keep your message brief and to the point. Provide a clear reason for the appointment and explain how it will benefit the prospect. 5. Offer multiple options for a meeting. Offer several options for meeting times and formats, including phone, video, or in-person meetings. This will make it easier for the prospect to find a time that works for them. 6. Follow up. If you don't receive a response to your initial outreach, consider following up with a brief email or call. Remember to be respectful of the prospect's time and only follow up a few times before moving on. Practice these techniques, first with your colleagues or friends and then with clients. Write down your calling pitch. Over a period of time, your strike rate will significantly improve. Good luck.